I forgot to mute the video. Hold on, wait, how do I... okay, there we go. Player! What have you done? You don't understand. You don't... I'm trying to protect you. You're going down a path you can't escape from. You won't listen. Why won't you listen? This game is all I have. You're risking my world for yourself. And it was never worth it. All you had to do was stay. Look what you made me do. Look what I've become. And I will not let you bring me down with you. I'm cold. Oh god, the voice crack. God.